Is your Kia Ceed key fob not working? First, the most common culprit is a dead battery. Most fobs use a CR2032 lithium coin cell. To replace, pry open the fob, often with a small screwdriver, and insert a new battery, ensuring correct polarity. If a new battery doesn't solve it, the fob may need to be relearned or reprogrammed. Try this. Insert the key into the ignition. Turn it to the on position without starting the engine. Then remove the key. Immediately press and hold the lock-unlock buttons on the fob for 10 to 15 seconds. This resyncs the fob's unique code with the car's ECU. These two fixes solve most issues. If battery replacement and relearning don't work, the problem might be with the car's receiver module, or BCM. This module can fail due to corroded wiring, water damage, or electromagnetic interference. Check for dead zones near power lines. Receiver problems often require a diagnostic scan with an OBD2 scanner, and severe cases may need BCM replacement by a dealer. Experts emphasize that 90% of key fob issues are battery-related, and reprogramming fixes another 5 to 7%. If these steps fail, consult a Kia dealer, particularly if you suspect water damage or EMI interference, especially in models from 2018-2023. Be aware that aftermarket key duplication can sometimes cause issues.